Today marks the 10th anniversary of the return of the Mermaid Project.
It's the train gang.
It was called the Mermaid Pool because there was a camp here in the Depression. The ladies used to, at the end of the day, used to go and swim naked. They ended up being termed mermaids.
When the pool at the time, when it was nice and clean, and then there would have been no weeds, it would have been a lovely spot. But now the volunteer group's doing a wonderful job trying to regenerate the bushland.
It's self-convening thing here from gardens and the road, and so we've got nutrients in it. Yeah, and feeds all the weeds.
We would like to have it back where it was in the 1930s from photographic records, where this is sandstone shelf.
Glass. Oops. What is this weed in Australia? Oh. Is it not possible to have a picture? It's hard work. That might be a bit hard to arrange.
10 years ago, where we had a big fight with the developer upstream, which tried to destroy the creek by building 70 buildings over the headwaters. So Warringah has got a big history of bush conservation, and people all come out and help keeping Warringah green, which is so fantastic.
Who passed the bomb off the lane? Come on.
What is that?
Oh, you got the lock.